LakeMaster VX offers 3 new chart presets. What these chart presets allow me to do is to customize for different fishing and navigation scenarios. For example, on my LakeMaster Premium card here, on my fishing preset, I don't have any layers turned on. If I switch to navigation, I have my aerial imagery layer turned on, and I have a different color palette set. If I change again to user, you can see that I have the shaded relief layer turned on, and I've set my contour density down to low. Here's how you can change between your chart presets on SOLIX and Apex. Simply touch in the status bar to change from fishing, navigation, and user. You could also change and customize your chart presets by going to the chart options menu. Here you could do things like adjust your chart objects, change your depth color palettes, and what layers are turned on and off. On HELIX, on a chart view, you could change your chart preset by pressing the menu key, cursoring down to chart preset, and then using the left to right arrow keys to change from fishing, navigation, and user. You can adjust your chart preset and customize each preset by pressing the menu key twice, going to the HP chart menu. Here you could change your chart preset as well as customize each one with your chart objects, depths and contours, and your layers. One thing to note, one setting that syncs across all 3 presets is your depth highlights. So no matter which preset you're on, you never lose your shallow water or your other 4 highlights.